installing a auxiliary DSX fuel pump. First thing you need to do is to pull out your inner fender well. This is a Z06. Then back up in here is your fuel line right there. You have to uncouple it and spread it apart. Then you have to remove a nut here and the nut up here. Unplug your connector, and that's what you got to get started with right off start. Then you come under the car and you will drill a hole right here in this flat area. I start out with a small bit to get all that excess fuel out. Next, I will go with the bit that you buy with the kit, and I'll show you what it looks like after I get it done. So there's what the hole's going to look like after you drill it to the proper side. Next, you will have a tap that you get with the kit. You will tap it until the marked area, and that's it. Installed the fitting and just used all this. You put the sealant on the threads, thread it in, then I just use the rest of the sealant to goop around it. Just want to be a little bit cautious that it doesn't leak. Went ahead and installed their T-fitting onto this hose and tightened, because once it has to go back up into here and hook up between these two lines. Between that line there and the line down there, which that's where it was hooked together. It will go in between those two, so that's why I did that. So that is what it looks like installed. This hose will come out and then hook up to your auxiliary pump. Now go ahead and plug in your auxiliary line into this part of the car. Now, where you remove the two nuts, bolt on this bracket, which will hold your auxiliary pump. Okay, here's with the pump installed. Lines fastened. There. Ran over, up, down. Fastened into the tank. So, getting ready to see if it works.